This lesson is to show you how you can find the tax rate or percent when given the dollar value of the tax and the total price of the purchase. The percent proportion, as a reminder, is part over whole equals percent over 100. In this case, the tax is going to be the part, the whole is going to be the purchase price, and the percent is going to be your tax rate or percentage. So we can use this proportion to help solve these types of problems. So Max paid $2.94 in tax. So this would be the part that is the tax. The $42 purchase is the whole or the original, and the question is, what is the tax rate? We can set up our proportion. We don't know what that tax rate is, so that's where our n is, and we can do 294 over 42. From here, we can cross multiply. 42 times n is 42n. 294 times 100 is 294. Now we have an equation. We're trying to solve for n, so we can divide by 42 on both sides of the equation. That's because that cancels out. I ran out of room, so I'm just going to come over here. On the left we have n, and on the right we have 7. And because we know this is a tax rate, we're going to add our percent sign to our answer. And there we go. That's how you find the tax rate when given the tax and the purchase price.